Phonics time today. Grab yourselves a comfy seat, listen to what I say. Let's do it in silly voices, are we ready? Another silly voice, ready? Bop, 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 bop. Fantastic. And another one. Beep, 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 beep. Fantastic, everybody. Well done. Really good idea to get your children to do lots of different songs and silly voices. Really good for their listening and attention. Welcome, everybody, to our new phonics time. Today, day 3 of phonics this week, where we're going to learn another new sound. And today, dun dun dun, it's going to be a diagraph. What is it going to be? A diagraph. What did I say it's going to be? A diagraph. That's right, it's going to be a diagraph today. Dum dum dum. So you're all really good at those, but it is a little bit trickier. So let's get started straight away. I hope you've done your phonics warm-up video. Let's start with some sounds that we already know, and then we'll carry on with our new sound. So are you ready? I'm going to show you a card. I want you to shout out really loud what it is. Shout it at the TV. Try and make sure Miss Chambers can hear you from her house. Okay, you ready? What is this sound? J, 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 j. Fantastic, well done. What is this sound? Ooh, new sound yesterday. Zzz, amazing. What is this sound? Bounce it, everyone. Yeah, 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 yeah. Brilliant. What is this sound? Bounce it, everyone. Fantastic. What is this sound? Stretch it out, well done. What is this sound? Bounce it for me. Wah, 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 wah. Amazing. What is this sound? Stretch it for me. Amazing. And then last but not least, what is this sound? J, 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 j. Fantastic. Bounce that j. Brilliant, children. Well done. You're getting so good at those. We're nearly at the end of the week, so we've nearly done another 4 sounds. We'll keep going with those. Keep practicing them yourselves at home too. So, let's have a story. Oh, what's on Miss Chambers' hat? What can we see today? That's right, it's a bee. That's right. What is it, children? It's a bee. That's right. And what do bees say? Zzz. That's right, they do. They say zzz. Fantastic. So, that was our new sound yesterday. Why is Miss Chambers wearing the bee hat again today? Well, let's find out. Here's our story. So, oh my goodness me, look at the size of that bee. Wow. This time, Oliver was walking in a park and he heard the biggest zzz he's ever heard. Zzz. Can you do that with me? Zzz. And he looked up and he saw the biggest bumblebee he's ever seen. It was even bigger than Oliver. And it was making the noise. What noise was it making, children? Zzz. Fantastic. What noise was it making? Zzz. Brilliant. So, but hold on a minute. Look at the zzz. There's not one. There's 2. And it's got a great big sound button underneath. What does that mean, everybody? That's right. That means that we are learning about a diagraph. If we have a big sound button, we are learning about a diagraph. What are we learning about, children? A diagraph. That's right. Let's sing our song and then we'll go back to that. So we've got the same song as we did yesterday. Ready? Let's let's listen to the same song. Ready? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Brilliant. Okay, get your wings ready, everybody. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Fantastic, everyone. So why is Miss Chambers wearing a bee? Why are we singing the same song? Why was there a massive, gigantic bee trying to eat Oliver? Well, that's because today, children, we are doing the diagraph. Zzz. So it's 2 letters, 1 sound. Say that with me. 2 letters, 1 sound. You can see we've got 2 Z's together, but they've got 1 big sound button underneath because we don't say Z, Z. We don't say Z, Z. It's 1 sound, so we just say Z, Z, Z. 1 sound. Z, Z, Z. Okay, so let's have a go at reading a word. This is a diagraph. Z. There is no bouncy sound video with this one, so you can just move straight onto these words, okay? So let's have a closer look. My turn. B, U, Z. Buzz. Your turn. B, U, Z. Buzz. Fantastic, children. Well done. Okay, so you see how I didn't say B, U, Z, Z, because it's 2 letters, 1 sound. B, U, Z. Buzz. Fantastic. And this one, oh, that's a tricky sound. What's that sound? That's right. W. W is. Whiz. W is. Whiz. Fantastic. So we've got buzz and we've got whiz. So you can see, children, the diagraph goes at the end of the word. It's not at the start like z was. It's at the end of the word where we've got 2 z making 1 sound. Okay? Let's play a game to practice that. So, today's game is a bit like yesterday's. I've got lots of bees that need to go back to their beehive home. Some bees will go to their little beehive home. But some bees will go to the ginormous beehive home. Look at the size of that one. That's massive. So, the ones that go in the small beehive do not have the diagraph Z. The ones that go in the massive beehive have the diagraph Z. Okay, so let's see if we can sort them. I'm going to pick a card. Here we go. Can you tell me what that says, children? Pause the video if you want to. Okay, ready? T, O, Z. Toz. Your turn. T, Oz. Toz. What's the word, children? Toz. Fantastic. We see we've got the diagraph at the back, at the end of the word here. So it's 2 letters, 1 sound. T, Oz. Toz. Fantastic. Good job. Right. Where will that go? Will that go in the little beehive or the big beehive? That's right. It's going to go in the big beehive because it's got a diagraph on it. So I've got my beehive here. I've got sellotape all around and we're just going to go bzz and stick. Ready? Zzz, stick. Can you have a go at that? Zzz, stick. Fantastic. Well done. For that, parents, you just need a great big beehive on paper, bit of blue tack and some sellotape so the children can have a go at sticking the words on there. Okay? Right, let's have a go at another one. Drum roll, please. Next one is this one. Oh, look at this little bee. Let's Let's have a go at this word. Ready? Zap. Zap. Your turn. Zap. Zap. Now, can you see a digraph in there, everybody? No, there isn't a digraph in there, is there? Because that's only got a single z there. So where will that go? Will that go in the big beehive or the little beehive? That's right, it's going to go in the little beehive. Let's make our little noise. Are we ready? Bzzz. In we go. Fantastic. Okay, let's do another one. Drum roll, please. Okay. What about this one? Have a go at this one. What does this say, children? Okay, let's sound it out. We're ready? F-uzz. Fuzz. Your turn. F-uzz. Fuzz. Fantastic. Fuzz. What's the word, children? Fuzz. Brilliant. F-uzz. Fuzz. What's the word, children? Fuzz. What's the word? Fuzz. Fantastic. Fuzz. Where will that go? Has that got a single z or a digraph z? It's got the digraph, so it's going to go in the massive beehive. Get your massive beehives ready. And we're going to buzz it to it and stick. Ready? Z stick. Your turn. Z stick. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's do another one. What about this one? What does this word say on this bee? Your turn. My turn. Is. Tis. Your turn. Is. Tis. That's right. What is it, children? Tis. Fantastic. Now, does that have the digraph? Yes, it does. It's here at the end. So where will that go? Big beehive. Big beehive. Right, we're ready. I'm going to get Mr. Big Beehive here and we're going to fly it and then we're going to stick it. Ready? Stick. Oh, we caught it just in time, that sticky beehive. Okay, let's do one more. Oh, here's a little one. What does that say? Have a go. Okay, let me do my turn. Z-e-n. Z-e-n. Zen. Good. What's the word, everybody? Zen. What's the word? Zen. Fantastic. Zen. Oh, now does that have the digraph Z on it? No, it doesn't. That's right. It's just got a single sound Z. So let's take it to the beehive and make it fly in. Are we ready? Zip. And in we go. Well done, little bee. Right. Oh, I need one more, I think. We're doing too well here. What about this word? What does this word say? Does this have our digraph? Okay, let's sound it out. Ready? B-u-z. B-u-z. Buzz. Fantastic. Can you see the digraph there? We can. So it goes in the big beehive. Okay, let's get the big beehive out. Ready? And we're going to float it away and make it stick. Ready, everyone? Stick. Has it stuck? Yes, it has. Look at all those Z words we've got on our big beehive. We've got toz, fuzz, buzz, and tis. Well done, everybody. Fantastic. Give yourselves a round of applause. Brilliant. Okay, let's have a go at writing with the digraph. That's where it gets a little bit tricky. So we'll have a go at doing that together now. Okay, have a look at my board. So we need to write the digraph first, don't we? And that's easy because we know how to write the Z sound. So we've just got to do it twice. Ready? Z, Z. There we go. Can you have a go at writing the Z sound at home? Pause the video now and go and have a go at writing the digraph. Okay, welcome back. Let's have a go at writing the word. Well, what word shall we do? Let's do tis. Sound out the word tis for me using your fingers. Are we ready? T-I-Z. Tis. Point to it. T-is. Tis. And write it. T-I-Z. Tis. Can you see, children, that I have put the digraph in one box? Because remember, each box has one sound. Not one letter, one sound. And this is one sound. T-I-Z. Tis. Write it underneath. T-I-Z. Tis. Fantastic. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do the word... What did we do last week? Let's do viz, a nonsense word. Viz. Sound it with me. V-I-Z. Viz. And let's point. V-I-Z. Viz. And let's write. V-I-Z. Viz. Viz. And let's write it underneath. V-I-Z. Viz. So we've got tis and viz. Good job, everybody. Well done. If you pop over to Google Classroom now, there's a great big list of words that you can use, parents, and you can ask your children to have a go at writing them. It'd be fun if they could do it inside their little bees, so they can make their own bees for their own beehive. And that's it, children. You have learnt this week, you have learnt Z and the digraph. Z. That is amazing. You are so good. Give yourself a big pat on the back and a pat on the bee and a pat on the shoulder and a pat on the cheek and a little round of applause. Well done. Shall we finish with a song? Shall we say shoo to bee now? We know that song, don't we? So let's get our bee hats on and we'll sing our shoo bee. So get your bees ready. Shoo bee, don't follow me. Shoo bee, don't follow me. Shoo bee, don't follow me, for I belong to somebody. I feel like a morning star. I feel like a morning star. So shoo bee, don't follow me. Shoo bee, don't follow me. Shoo bee, don't follow me, for I belong to somebody. Give yourselves a round of applause. Right, children, that's it for me today. I shall see you tomorrow for another new sound. And then we're nearly at the end of our week. Well done, everybody. See you tomorrow.